Okay. Okay. Okay, so right now, about 1 minute till open. And right here is where my gap is, which it should fill and then reject. All right. It's going to open up. Yep. There it is. This is probably down. Yep. It's okay. We're ready. I'm also looking on my phone here too. So, all right. Here we go. There we go. My target was hit by another one. Morlight locked me out. There we go. Perfect. Okay. So that was hit. My alert was set. I actually had this green line was the gap. If you go back on a 1 minute chart and look at 2 o'clock, you can see it. So it filled. Now we're going to see what happens there. I mean, it hit kind of a line of support. So I drew this a while ago. I mean, my chart looks a little crazy here. I'm going to look at a 15, the first 15 minutes. So the gap's filled. Now I'm just seeing what's going on. I'm going to go to basically look at today's levels on TradyTix. Share this tab right now. So I'm looking right now at the GDX levels. I mean, the end of day expiration levels, which the green usually are repellents, which is weird. There's no red. Usually red is attracted to, but I'm not seeing anything, which is strange. This is market sentiment. basically what the market is pricing. So I guess right now the gamma exposure level is on SPY is 567, but everything else it's repelling. Yeah, so it should, should start tanking. Yes, Kristen. No, I can't. I'm in a live stream and I am in the middle of this. So yeah, it looks like it's getting momentum. So I'm just looking on, we're trading futures on the ES, but I always refer to the SPY just for the gaps. It helps me see gaps easier than the ES. So I always go back to the 1 minute just to see if there is any discrepancies in price. So could probably retest here and then go back. Okay. Approaching my first target. Maybe I need to break this low. When I'm live trading, I usually look at the 1 minute chart. Then I can also see if there's a lot of volume, like on a 1 minute candle, if there's like a lot of volume, and let's just say if I see some structure, that being either a bear or a bullish flag, and then gives me some indication of, hey, this one candle had a lot of volume, more than usual, and I can see on the average if it's like a huge candle, I might want to get out or add to a position. Right now these candles are kind of going down in volume, so I don't know if I want to add. I have two futures contracts right now, and let's just go to 5. So 5 closed. Could retest this. These are like fair value gaps that I drew in. I'm using Luxalgo Smart Money Concepts, which is an ICT generated chart pattern system. So basically it'll see fair value gaps like this one right here, because this where liquidity is. So yeah, it's going right in. Actually, I'm going to add on this spike. So I'm going to add one more. There we go. That was great. Yeah, like this is going to fill here. I want to see price go back down, which it is. So I'm going to wait for this candle to close. Probably take this alert out. That's where I drew for that on SPY to add, but obviously it's a different chart. SPY, the gap yesterday on the 1 minute discrepancy was at 2 p.m. If you look at a 1 minute chart, you can see there was like a 3-cent gap where it gapped down. So I assumed it would be bullish until it filled that, which it did at the open and then rejected. Went 570.50 on the dot. believe the gap was at 22, 570.22. It's between 24 and 21, so there's a 3-cent discrepancy there. So right now I added on that retracement up. I added one. I sold one more futures contract. I'm going to wait for this 5-minute closure. I want it to close below this, and then it took out liquidity to the top already. I guess it didn't on the pre-market high, but we have all this down here, down here. I mean, I'll probably be targeting lower, actually. But I have 3 contracts, so I'm going to take one out there. You never know what the market's going to do. And we still have 1 minute for this structure to close. That has a perfect add on that up, but it still needs to accelerate to the downside. It's trading late last night, so this is my my P&L right now. So I mean, it'd still take a $500 loss and still be in the green, but we don't want to do that. All right, we got another 10 seconds. Anything can happen in 10 seconds.
Bella, no. Bella.
Here, Bella. Can you please give me a moment? Here we go. Okay. Needs to take out these lows. And then it should. Getting married this week. And we also have a baby that just turned 1. Loves to get into everything. So I might cut this short just because I have other things I need to do. My daily target is 1,600. I'm at 1,000 right now, so I'm about 600 off. I might end it here because my partner doesn't want me to trade or do this, so I might just end it here. She's hovering over me. Can you please give me a minute? I just need the first 15 minutes, please. All right, I'm just going to end it here. I can't really focus, so trying to. Yeah, I'm just going to end it here. All right.